Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how we have integrated ChatGPT with Podio. One of the main benefits of this ChatGPT integration with Podio is to accurately identify and manage leads from the prospect app. For instance, let's say we have put a lead on follow-up. After placing the lead on follow-up, we might schedule the follow-up message to be sent tomorrow or today. When someone replies to our follow-up messages, the original follow-up sequence will stop, and ChatGPT will then take over to continue the conversation. So for example, I'm going to clone it for a live ChatGPT demo. Here, I'm going to put the phone number, and after that, I'm going to save this lead. For example, I am going to send an email for testing purposes. I'm going to click on it. Yes. Okay, as you can see here, our email message has been successfully sent. I have successfully received the message from this Podio site. For example, I'm going to reply with, "Who's there and why you emailed me?" We have received the email reply, "Who's there and why you emailed me?" So just wait and watch. Our ChatGPT will respond to this email. The response is, "Hi, I am Ashan Ali Shah from IHB Data. We are looking to purchase property in your area. As you can see here, we successfully received the message. For example, I am going to email back, "Yes, I am interested, and please let me know how much you offer me." As you can see here, we successfully received the message from the email. "Yes, I am interested, and please let me know how much you offer me." Just wait a little bit, and our ChatGPT will write a suitable message for him and then send it to the email. Here's the response generated. Fantastic. I have a team specialized in property assessment. They would need to have a detailed discussion. Can we schedule a call today or tomorrow? That's amazing. Now let's send a response. "Okay, please schedule my appointment or call for detailed discussion." We have received the email reply. Again, we just need to wait for ChatGPT's response. Here, we received the response from ChatGPT. All great. I logged that in for tomorrow around 10 a.m. Great. You can see the ChatGPT status has been changed to appointment scheduled. That's amazing. ChatGPT automatically handles the discussion, whether someone is interested or not, and if they want to schedule an appointment or follow up. That's the beauty of integrating ChatGPT with Podio. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.
To avail our services or to discuss your next project, contact us on the following details.